Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I'm gonna unbox the Solace riding boots which I received a couple of days back. This is called the XT Evo Touring Boots, and let's unbox it. Let's send it for unboxing. Whoa, that was quick. So we've got the Solace XT Evo. Let me just get rid of this. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. And right away, let's start reviewing these shoes. So these are their latest offering by Solace, which is the touring boots, and they have the track boots as well. And I just love Solace as a brand. They make some brilliant technical riding gears, and this is one of the testimony of this. And to begin, let's start with the costing of this. So this is priced at 10,500 rupees. Now let's talk about these riding boots and tell you what are these like, and should you buy one of them, or definitely I can tell you certain features about this riding boots, and definitely looks, this is a very good riding boots. So there are certain key features of this particular riding shoes, and I'm going to straight away start with that. So one of the main key feature of this entire shoes is the microfiber leather uppers. The entire uppers is a microfiber leather uppers, and then it is also being doubled with Drytech waterproof membranes. So that also means this is a waterproof riding boots. And then the third is the reinforced anti-skid sole. So the entire sole is reinforced in terms of their hardness or in terms of their life, and it's an anti-skid sole. So that makes it a good all-round touring boots. And well, that's not all enough to make it a good all-round riding boots. So let me talk about the safety part of it. So let's talk about the safety of it. So the entire toe box, this particular entire portion, is been reinforced by TPU. So that's hard, and that takes a lot of load. So it's particularly very hard entire this particular area, your toe box. And then for every time when you change the gear, so there is a small patch which is again a reinforcement in terms of your shoe does not get the gear mark or the gear lever mark. So that is also being done here. Then coming on to your shin, again the shin is been reinforced. So this part to this part, that particular part is been reinforced by TPU. And then going back to your heel, so this entire portion is also again reinforced with TPU. So all your main impact areas are taken care and it has been reinforced for maximum safety. And when you look at your heel, the side portion, so this again gets TPU outside, so that also makes it again kind of durable and safer as well. Similarly on your inner side also, that's again been reinforced. So the safety is been completely taken care in this particular boots. Talking about night rides, if it's a touring boots, you'll definitely end up doing night rides. May not be the full whole night. Certain places there might be patches where you would end up doing night rides. So for that reason, you have reflectors on the front and then a reflector at the back as well. So for those night rides or early morning rides when you start, so that's also been taken care. Now let's talk about comfort. For maximum comfort, so the entire inner lining is been done with the fabric for maximum comfort, with cushioning inside as well. So you have a good cushioning and kind of spongy feeling inside, and it's also fabric inside to give you a maximum comfort. And then there is this hook when you open it, so you have an expandable stretch panel here for easier usage. And then this zip also has a two-way velcro so that it sticks onto your one side of the shoe, and then you can close it. The entire thing looks very nice and cheap, and especially the construction of this shoes or this boot is so good, and the entire boot has a very good double stitching across that is also very good. I am so happy to see Indian manufacturers getting out such brilliant products in Indian market, which is very good. Now that's we've spoken about highlights, we've spoken about safety part of it, we've spoken about comfort of this particular thing, and now let's talk about what happens just in case this gets wet. So especially if you're not wearing a rainy liner in terms of a pant, and then if your denim or something soaks in water and gets in, then this has a quick dry insole, and then this is also treated with antibacterial and anti-fungal treatment, so that you would not have bacteria or fungus during the time if it gets wet. And since it has a dry fit insole, it will dry soon as well, so which is, I think, brilliant. So to start with, that's all I have to talk about this particular shoes right now, but then I'll use them and also give you a complete detailed review on how these boots work in real world scenario. And otherwise, this looks absolutely brilliant, and the specs, the way it is very good. So let's put this in real world scenario and see how this performs. Well, that's all I have to say about these cool looking brilliant boots from Solace. So I'm gonna end my review here, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video, where I'll probably review these boots and tell you in detail should you consider buying one of this or not. Until the next time, see you guys, bye bye.